David, just one point, and I'm so sorry to actually backtrack, but I'm going to leave my
Sure.
so that was you said about the casual workers, we need to do this documentation in tandem to site date or whatever that stipulates and talks about full holiday pay, or how do we answer them and address them to say, oh yeah, but it doesn't apply to you? I mean, how do we address that?
What you'll find if we look at the Fair Work Information Statement, you'll see that it's got the 10 national employment standards in that blue box. And I'm just trying to see if there's any... Yeah.
The next page, that's the
Yeah. The problem is, so the Fair Work Information Statement itself, which is that one there, yeah, that's the document that you have to give out. Yeah, the double, that one there. No, you have to give out that actual document.
And this is the one you say to sign and scan it to you.
Absolutely. Yeah, if you're a Workforce Guardian subscriber, you just scan it and upload it yourself. You're logging in, you manage your own file. That's the file. The problem is, and I take your point, if you look at it, it doesn't say anywhere on it that these don't apply to a casual employee, right? So that's it. And so that's what you'd have to refer to. Now, the employee can probably, well, they will phone the Fair Work Info line. They get wonderful help from the Fair Work Info line. They get all the help under the sun. So if they phone that info line, they will be told that they don't have that benefit. The other place that you can get it is the same place that you download this document from the Fair Work Ombudsman's website. The same place where you get that, you will also find a series of fact sheets about each of these NES. So there are 10 fact sheets about these NES. I would download them and just keep them handy in your workplace, right? And then one of them, if one of them, for example, is on annual leave, the employee says, well, I'm a casual, where's my 4 weeks of annual leave? You can pull out the fact sheet about annual leave and say, here is where it says, as a casual, you don't get it. Because I know as a fact, those other fact sheets explain that.
On the last page, it says on the casual employee what I'm entitled to.
Yeah.
So down the bottom it says only certain NES.
Yeah.
Entitlements apply and these aren't. So it actually lists them on that last page.
Yeah, it's still... Yeah, I take it. Yeah, I totally take your point. What I would have loved is if they, in that blue box, you know, at the top of this blue box, they said, please note that, you know, there are exceptions for casual staff and entitlements for non-full-time employees are on a pro rata basis, instead of listing it subtly under each. But yeah, good point. It does.
But also that doesn't stop you asking
No.
specific.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. But you're just answering that you can find the information.
Absolutely, yeah. So the Fair Work Ombudsman's website contains those fact sheets. It's the only thing that I would suggest it's useful for. Download those documents and keep them handy.
Okay, I'm sure you all got a lot of that. A lot out of like that last hour or half an hour. Yeah. Okay, David, thank you so much for your time on us. That was fantastic. We've had a number of different seminars in the last 12 months. That's probably probably the second best one we've had. Best one's probably one I said.
I was about to ask, what was the best one?
Can everyone join me and thank David, please? Okay, there's still...